The top Harare lawyer, Beatrice Mutetwa, is blamed prosecution for stalling progress in a matter Mary Mobaiwa, Vice President Wilson Ochieng's former wife, is seeking permanent stay of her prosecution because of her illness. Sanapinda mashuka tunakuti aiwa Mary Mobaiwa si application ye permanent stay aiwa for prosecution ichitrigger on panapa vanhu kuona kuti this move kuona kuti kune vanhu aiwa vasingadzori moyo yavo vakaomarara kana kusindimara moyo. Sanapinda mashuka mbeningwa panapa subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipina panapa Zimbabwe Dangana chiri Mubaiwa last year approached the High Court seeking relaxation of her trial. She made the same request at the lower court, where Magistrate Felicia Chikanyuka traced her application, ruling that the former model is to blame for delaying her trial. In a latest update, Mutetwa said that the state is failed to upload documents that parties agreed with regard to a directive by the presiding judge, Pisirai Kwenda, who ordered some investigations before he decides whether Mubaiwa's prosecution should be stopped or not. As a result, the court could not sit on Wednesday. Mutetwa told the journalists that the court will now sit this Friday for the judge to be uploaded on where the investigations are. Later last year, Mutetwa applied for permanent stay of a prosecution, submitting that she is always sick. The model, who is battling lymphedema, had two of her limbs, the right hand and left leg, amputated last year. A lawyer said a client is always in and out for hospital because of her condition. Ndomashuka tunoti apanguva ino yamarabaiwa ari panguva very tough. Tichiona vanhu vese vari aligned, aiwa malegislators nevese aiwa malawyers vari kumusoro uku tiona vari against her. Tichiona all the processes achidilewa kunyange vachinyatsogona kuti aiwa physical well-being aiwa inonyatsokuzosereresa kwazvo. Mburudzai mafungiro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro vanhu vachiblema mwoyo wajenerali vachiti vanhu ngavadzore mwoyo yavo. Tudze mafungiro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section yenu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.